The party, called Aglomerados, organized by students from 6 faculties and technical courses at the Federal University of Santa Maria, began on Saturday, January 26, 2013 at 11 p.m. 2 bands were scheduled to perform that night. In the early morning hours of January 27, 2013, a fire broke out when the band Gurizada Fandanguera ignited a pyrotechnic device while performing on stage. The pyrotechnics accidentally ignited flammable acoustic foam in the ceiling. A crowd crush occurred following the fire, and a lack of exit signs and emergency exits allegedly contributed to the deaths. Most of the victims were between 18 and 30 years old. According to the authorities, other reasons for the high death toll include the lack of emergency exits, the fact that the club's front door was locked, and that the number of people inside exceeded the maximum capacity by hundreds. About 90% of the victims succumbed to smoke inhalation, specifically cyanide, which was among the toxic chemicals produced when fire consumed the soundproofing foam on the club's ceiling. Many people died as they either tried to hide in bathrooms or, in panic, mistook them for exits. At least 180 bodies were removed from the bathrooms. More than 150 were injured by the crush at the front door and the rapidly accumulating smoke within the nightclub. 2 co-owners of the nightclub and 2 members of the band were arrested and questioned by police. One of the owners of the nightclub, Alessandro Spar, tried to commit suicide but failed while still being treated at the hospital. This event is the second most deadly fire in Brazilian history, surpassed only by the Niterói Circus fire of 1961.